In this video, we'll permanently infuse custom artwork into a ceramic coaster blank. First with a design made with Infusible ink transfer sheets, and then we'll infuse a design made with Infusible ink pens and markers. First, use a sheet of white cardstock to protect your Cricut Easy Press mat. Then, we'll take our pre-weeded transfer sheet and place it on top of the coaster, ink side facing down. If it's not gripping, secure it with heat-resistant tape to make sure it stays in place. Next, flip the coaster over so its backside is facing up. Cover it using a sheet of butcher paper. Just make sure it's larger than your heat plate. Confirm time and temperature settings using our heat transfer guide. And when your machine is good to go, place it directly on top. Try not to move a thing and start the countdown timer. No pressure is recommended, so go ahead and release the handle, but don't leave the scene of the project. When time's up, hold down the butcher paper and lift the machine straight up. Be sure to let your coaster cool completely. Use extreme caution, it gets really hot. Now remove the butcher paper. Carefully flip your coaster over and remove the liner. If any pieces remain, remove them using your fingers. Perfect. Now let's transfer an Infusible ink design made with pens and markers. Again, protect your mat with a sheet of white cardstock, and then place your artwork on your coaster, design side facing down. Use heat-resistant tape to secure the design perfectly in place. Cricut pros tape around the edge to the back. Don't skip this step. If you do, you might end up with unwanted ghosting effects. Now flip your coaster. Cover with butcher paper that's larger than your heat plate. And again, always confirm your time and temperature settings using our heat transfer guide. When Cricut Easy Press is ready, place it directly on top, making sure not to move your machine once it touches down. Then start the timer. Since no pressure is recommended, let go of the handle, but again, don't leave the scene. Once time's up, hold the butcher paper in place and lift the machine straight up. Be sure to let your design cool and use extreme caution. Ceramic coasters conduct heat and will be really hot. Once completely cool, remove the butcher paper, followed by the tape. And the copy paper. And look at that fully infused design. That's it. Drink up.